Hi guys, today we're making a mukbang. Mukbang! Let's eat. Alright, let's eat. Oh, I drank a little bit more cola. I didn't know we were drinking the whole. What the heck? Okay, let's get a burrito tacos. Oh my god. This game could be bigger than, sorry for yapping, but this game could be better than Convenience Store Korea. I'm also gonna make a new video of that. Let's just eat. There's gonna be meat eating, alright? I'm gonna stop talking now. Eating a lot of foods. Let's go, eat. Let's eat all of these. I'm gonna eat this one with cheese. With the cheese. Oh god, let's go! Dude, wait. Let's just make sure. Alright, it's ranch. Then we got to gnocchi. What's this? Okay, it takes a long time to eat a gnocchi. Let's get to know. Another video of this. Alright, we got the tempura. Let's eat. Oh my god, it's like, that's so fast eating now. Okay, wait, look at this. It eats so fast. Bro, calm down. You're not supposed to hurry. We got mayo sauce, and then the next one is gonna be it takes 3 bites to eat that. I can eat that like 2, I think. Give me spicy. We got the spicy. Why is it so white? Where is it? Alright, now we got some spicy noodles that I can't even reach, bro. Of course I can't eat that. I can't eat that for some reason. I don't think I'm gonna eat that. Come on, just sit here, bro. It takes a long time to sit on this, but in the end you sit. Oh my god. What are we supposed to do? I got it now, finally. Okay. This is a Dubai chocolate chewy cookie. Let's eat spicy. It's the same thing. It's that. Let's just shoot. Okay. Let's eat. The crunch is like so satisfying. Yeah, I think that's about it. We have eaten. Clean table. Yes. Now we're full. What does this bell do? Well, I'm just gonna end the video here. Goodbye.